Hello again everyone. We're going to look at another problem today. And it's this one here, 0.5 times 0.25. And if you're doing something like this, it's good to say the question out aloud, and in this case change the time for the word of. So that's 0.5 of 0.25. And not only that, sometimes it's helpful to take these words, if they're common fraction words, and just to use the fraction. So half of 0.25, just half of a quarter. Okay, and we can picture that perhaps much more easily than this. However, today's talk is really about using models to show what's going on. And we're going to say that this is 1. Okay, so if I want to show half of a quarter, I need to be able to find out what a quarter is. So I can take that, this is a half, that's a half, that's a whole. I get rid of that. So now I need to take this and I need to halve that again to make it into quarters. But at the moment, how am I going to do that? Well, if I exchange one of these for those 10, it's the same thing, and I can give half to that one and then half to that. So what we have is 1 whole, a quarter, and a half. So the question still is this. Here, what is half of a quarter? So we've got a quarter here, and let's split it in half. Well, I can go make 2 groups. Okay? And again I'm left with this. What am I going to do? I'm going to cut it in half. So I've got my big bin of parts here. If I get enough to make 10, I can exchange them. Let's line that up. Line that up. Need one more. There we go. That's 10, but it's actually pieces, so I can send 5 this way and 5 that way. So, looking at this, 1 flat equals 1/10, or 0.1. That's this big thing here. This here is called 100th, because there's 100 of these. That'll fit into one of those. So we've got one, now we've got 200ths. Or 0.02. And then we've got 5 of these little ones. And if we look here, if this is 1, we've got 1,000 of those that'll fit in there. So we've got 5 thousandths, or 0.005. And if we add all of these together, and we can do that by stacking them, getting the decimal points in line, that's 1 plus 0.2 plus 0.005. It's got 0, 0 and 0s there. That's 5, 2 and 1. 0.125. And that is the same as an 1/8. Alright, thank you very much.